everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are staying safe in your home with your family. So my today's video, from the video title you already know, is going to be summer special full day diet plan followed by great dietitian Rujuta Dibakar. And in this video I will share a lot of recipes that will be very simple, very easy, and with very minimum ingredients. You can make this easily in your home in this lockdown time. I know my friends who are living in India, you cannot go for your grocery shopping very frequently, so that's why I made this video for you all with very minimum ingredients, with all the basic ingredients that will be available in your kitchen. So my today's video is going to be all about that. Summertime is a very important time of the year. You have to take very extra care of your health in this season. So now let's start today's video. Today is a very beautiful, bright, positive day here in Denmark. So let's start today's video with a very happy, healthy and positive note. So my friends, as I keep on telling you to start your day with a warm glass of water, and of course if you can add some lemon into it, it will be just perfect. So that's why here I'm warming up some water in my electric kettle. My friends, after waking up in the morning, you always seen me to have lemon honey water. But since I'm making this video for the summertime, so I'm not taking honey with it. Instead, I'm taking just lemon water. If you are taking apple cider vinegar, then also you can continue with that. Apple cider vinegar with lukewarm water also is the perfect summertime morning drink. So here I'm making my lemon water, and always I start my summer days with this lemon water. Trust me, my friends, if you're on your weight loss journey, this magic drink will help you to cut your extra fat, and also it will give you a lot of positive energy. And lemon water can promote fullness, it support hydration, boost your metabolism, and of course it increase weight loss. So please try to add lemon water in your diet, especially in the summertime. After waking up in the morning, within 5 to 10 minutes, you should take your morning drink, that is lemon water, and then within 15 minutes, just remember, within 15 minutes, you have to take your first solid meal of the day, and that will be your meal number 1. According to Rujuta Dibakar ma'am's diet plan, so you can soak some almond overnight and you can eat it. And here I'm making some scrambled egg with tomatoes and onion. My friends, tomatoes are definitely among our favorite fat cutting foods. Tomatoes have been found to reduce inflammation and water retention in the body. So my friends, if you are on your weight loss journey, you should add tomatoes in your diet. And this recipe is super simple, as you are seeing. Here in this scrambled egg, I have used very minimum and basic ingredients. You have seen in the olive oil, I have added some tomatoes and onion, and after sauteing it with little bit of salt and pepper, then I have added my beaten egg, and now I have added little bit of turmeric into it, and that's it. Turmeric has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, so that's why I love to add turmeric in my scrambled egg. But yes, whenever I make my scrambled egg with spinach and other vegetable, I don't use turmeric, but today I have used it. And here comes my super simple breakfast. It's very nutritious, very easy to make, and of course it's nutrient dense. Yes, my friends, this is my breakfast platter, and remember to have your breakfast within 8 to 8:30. After waking up within 2 hours, you have to finish your breakfast. So here is scrambled egg with tomatoes and onion, and also here I'm having just one piece of whole wheat chapati. So this chapati is perfect for your weight loss journey. It has a lot of fiber into it, and Rujuta ma'am says to have those kind of food which is our comfort meal. So yes, chapati is of course our comfort meal, with some ghee on top, some cucumber, raisin, and 1 cup of green tea. And here comes meal number 3, and that is mid-morning snacks around 10:30. After having your breakfast and before having your lunch, you have to take one seasonal fruits. That can be anything, whatever fruits are available in your local market, you can have it. And here I'm preparing my lunch around 1 to 1:30. You have to finish your very healthy lunch. And since I'm a Bengali girl, so today for my lunch I'm making a simple fish curry. So see the fish is a perfect source of protein, my friends. It will give you a lot of energy. Fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid, which is a good fat, and it will help you to boost your metabolism. And of course, it's a white protein, so it's perfect. This fish curry recipe is super simple. I have marinated my fish pieces with some salt and just a little bit of turmeric, and then in the mustard oil I have fried my fish pieces. And my friends, if you are Bengali, definitely you know the recipe, I am sure about that. And especially for the summertime, we Bengalis call it patla macher jhol, and that is a comfort meal for all Bengalis. So yes, today I'll share this recipe with you. Here in the pan I have added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and then I have added little bit of kalonji seeds. We Bengalis call it kalo jire. And then I have added 2 pieces of slitted green chili. And then I have added this masala paste. You have seen this is a simple recipe, very basic simple fish curry recipe that we Bengalis love to eat in everyday basis, and especially for the summertime. It's our comfort meal. And here in low flame I'm gonna fry my masalas. You will see masalas and oil are separated now. So yes, this is the perfect time to add some warm water into it. And of course I have added some salt. And always I make sure to add some warm water in my curry. So here I have added some warm water into it. So this will be very runny kind of fish curry, which is perfect for the summertime. We Bengalis call it jhol. So here the curry or jhol is absolutely ready. Now this is the perfect time to add the fried fish pieces. You have seen, my friends, within very minimum ingredients and within just few minutes I made this macher jhol recipe. You have seen I have covered the lid, and now after 5 to 10 minutes I'm going to taking out the lid, and my fish curry or macher jhol is looking super delicious and ready. And at the end here I'm gonna add some roasted garam masala powder. You can add some roasted jeera powder too for extra flavor. You can add some dhania patta, but since it's summertime I don't want to add dhania patta on top. Instead I have added just a little bit of roasted garam masala. So it's absolutely ready. Here you have seen my macher jhol or fish curry is ready, and we Bengalis love to have dal too with our lunch. So here I am making a sabji dal, that is dal with vegetable, and you know papaya is the perfect vegetable for the summertime. Papaya, lauki, these are the perfect veggies for the summer season. So I will be making a perfect summer special masoor dal with some papaya and tomatoes. And here this recipe is very simple. In the pressure cooker I have added some oil, and then I have added panch foron, and then I have added tomatoes and little bit of ginger and onion. And then here I am adding some masalas. There is little bit of turmeric, jeera powder and red chili powder. And after adding the masalas I have added some salt too. and after giving it a very good mix, now this is the perfect time to add the papaya. This is raw papaya, and this vegetable has numerous health benefits, my friends. If you're on your weight loss journey, try to add. And here you can see my vegetables are well coated with all the masalas, and now I'm gonna add some dal. So I have already soaked this dal for 30 minutes. Masoor dal, it will take just 1 or 2 whistles to get cooked properly. And here I have added some water into it because we love to have this kind of rani dal. And then I have added little bit of ghee, and I have. So yes, here comes my lunch platter, and it's looking super delicious. Isn't it looking very colorful and gorgeous? But yet I have made this lunch platter with very simple ingredients, and I think these ingredients are easily available in your home. So here, just look at the quantity of rice. This is 1 bowl of rice, just like the bowl I have used for my dal. And here is dal, my fish curry, and here is yogurt, just little bit of dahi, and some salad, and 1 roasted papad. And here comes meal number 5. And after having your lunch around 3:30 to 4 o'clock, if you feel hungry, you should take some nuts, you should take some dry fruits, whatever fruits you love to have, you can take. So today I'm showing you some cashew nuts and some raisins. You can have it just like that. Handful of nuts is perfect around this time. And here comes meal number 6. My friends, you should take your meal in regular interval, and that's what Rujuta ma'am always says. So within just 2 hours, you have to, keep on eating some food. So here, this is evening snacks or afternoon snacks. Around 5:30, you should have some snacks, healthy snacks. So today this is brown bread, and I have added a little bit of ghee on my brown bread. So 1 piece of brown bread with some green tea. That will be the perfect evening snacks. And here comes last meal of the day, that is meal number 7, and this is a perfect dinner meal which I am preparing now. And my friends, dinner timing is very important. You have to finish your dinner around 8 o'clock. Don't be late, maximum 8:30, but please try to finish your dinner before that. And here comes the dinner platter, which is again a super simple platter. You already have seen the dal recipe. This is a dal with vegetable, and with that on the side I am taking some okra curry with potatoes, and here 1 piece of whole wheat chapati. Of course I have added some ghee on my chapati. So this is a perfect healthy Indian wholesome meal for the dinner. Dinner should be light, so here I am having just 1 piece of chapati. And my friends, after having your dinner, if you feel hungry around 11:30 when you are going for bed, then before your bedtime you can have 1 glass of turmeric milk, and that will be your 8th meal of the day. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my summer special full day diet plan. I promise you all in future I'll make lots and lots of summer special healthy recipe related videos for you all. You please take care of your health and do your regular exercise. Just remember 20 to 25 minutes of exercise is very important to have a very healthy life. And of course you have to maintain a healthy diet, as I always keep on telling you in my videos. So please take care of your health. Stay positive, stay happy. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata, bye bye, love you.